my video, and for this training I'm going to teach you how to create a video just like this. So I'm going to teach you how to create a video just like this. So where can you use this video? So you can use this video as a cover photo, or sorry, a cover video for your social media page, or you can create or this video as well can be an end part of your YouTube channel,
Really,
right?
nigga?
So for your YouTube, if you are a YouTuber, or if you would like to create videos, travel videos, and you don't have or you don't know how to end your video, so this is a great example of how you can end your video, right? So I'm going to teach you how to do this, and all right, so let's start.
2,000 years later.
So first thing that you need to have is, of course, Adobe Creative Cloud Premiere Pro CC. So new project, let's just name it cover video. So first, you need to have a video of the flames or the fires. So you can just simply look on YouTube and search for flames, black background. There you go. So um so if you would like to have this, then just simply go to YouTube video downloader, and then download the YouTube video. YouTube down, yeah, there you go. Copy the link, then paste it here. Start download. All right, it's downloading now. Let's just wait for it for a few seconds. So this is a nice video, but this is not really the video that, or the background that I used from the video that I showed you earlier, from this one. So that's the different flames. So I can find it, maybe flames background, I think that's not it. I can't find it anymore, but I think this one is, no, this is not the video used. But yeah, our video is now finished, so we are going to continue editing. So let's just get the picture or import the picture. So yeah, sorry, I have two screens, so I'll just, okay, this is my video, godlike fire background, but that's not what we downloaded, so we'll just search for the video that we downloaded. Okay, fire background. So from this one, fire background, you can just simply paste or drag it here, So the video is a bit long. It's 6 minutes actually. So how about the video, or how about this one? How about my links? Where did I create this? So I created that from my mobile phone. I'm going to teach you how to do that later. But first, let's go to the video. So go to the video. Just simply there's no background music, so we're going to delete the background music. This is the music, so just simply click the delete button on your keyboard, and then click this one, and then click effects control, blend, make sure to select screen, and then your video is ready. Now I'm going to teach you how to create the website link. How did I create this? The website links. So, alright, here you go. Alright, so now that you have already sent it to your Facebook account, so here's what you need to do. Go to your Facebook. You send it to yourself, right? So if you send it to yourself, just go ahead and click the video, watch the video, download it, and then, oops, that's my client's account. Client's content, sorry. So we have already downloaded, and then now we are going to insert the photo here. So it's on the download section. So I believe it's this one and this one. So I'll just add a few more since we only created 2. So I'll just add a few more. I'll add my Instagram, and do I have my Twitter here? No Twitter. Yeah, I'll just add my Instagram then. So for this 2 video that we created, we'll just have to click both of it, or select the 3. Just click the control button and then click this, and then simply drag it here or dito sa ibabaw. Why is it not moving? There you go. Let's try to, because it's too long. So let's try to zoom it a bit. Okay, let's try to play it. So it's not blending yet. So how about we move it that way? Alright. So here's your, okay, we'll just arrange it. It's not yet arranged, so we are going to arrange it. First, here, like and subscribe. So we'll have to put it here on the first part, and then here the Instagram will be here on the second part. But it will be amazing if we have a background music, right? So you can just simply download the music and then search for it. Next level trap music, and then drag it here, and then of course we are going to and then how about we prolong this for a few seconds. Oh, it's not moving. Yeah, it's not. You cannot. Okay, so it's only 6 seconds, I believe. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, this one we'll just have to shorten this, and also this one. So because it's our purpose, this is only for your ender or cover photo, so it shouldn't be that long, diba? So we'll just have to play it now. Nice.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
So if you can see, it's more than the screen, right? So what we're going to do here is we'll have to, for this one, we'll have to simply set frame size, and then also for this one, set the frame size, and also for this one, wait, set to frame size. Set the frame size. All right, so let's see again. Let's play it again. Oops, lag. Let's try it again. Nice.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
All right. Cool. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. So please like and share this video for more training tips. Or again, in the future, if you'd like to know more, just like and share this video. Thank you.